go to free concerts here. You can see free art exhibits. There's various city offices in here, like cultural city offices in here. You can rent spaces for different events. But because it is a library originally, what's one of my favorite things about it is that there are these wonderful quotes in the mosaics and in the marble all throughout the space. So this one, for example, says, "A library implies an act of faith which generations, still in darkness hid, sign in their night in witness of the dawn." It is 38 feet across. It has about 30,000 pieces of glass installed piece by piece by piece by an ironworks company here in Chicago that did it in a way that if they ever needed to remove any individual piece of glass, they could do that. Imagine the work in that. It's absolutely stunning. Chicago has the world's largest Tiffany stained glass dome. We have the world's largest Tiffany stained glass mosaic. Because what does the zodiac come from? It comes from the stars. And so that is a way to artistically represent that the sky is that direction.